Thank you. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. This is a big question. So first of all, I want to do a little survey. It has a price, okay? How many percentage of the hashing power right now is coming from China? Anybody want to guess?
85%.
How many?
85.
85%. Anybody else? 60? I think it's about 70 to 75. Thank you. So, what if China stops mining? That is a very big change in this kind of a community. Okay, so my today's presentation, I'll talk about a big opportunity for everybody here. And I will also do some introduction about Silicon and our advantage in the competition, and give you some tips for mining. So what is the big opportunity? So is it possible that China stops mining? And then 75% of the hashing power will disappear from China, right? Is that possible? There is a guideline from the industry for industry structure and adjustment in China recently released. There is a powerful department called the National Development and Reform Commission in China have revised the documentation from year 2011 to 2019. So it will happen this year. The category, in short, it recommends different kind of industry into three categories. One is encouraged, another is restricted, and some are eliminated. Unfortunately, crypto mining is suggested as an eliminated category. Why is that? Because government think it doesn't contribute many tax, and also it's waste a lot of energy. So that is what they are thinking. So will it happen completely? I'm not sure, but there's some action has been taken. So why I want to talk about here, right? Who will benefit from this kind of change? Number one, for those mining outside of China, that's a good news for you. Secondly, for those who providing hosting outside of China, you have a big business coming. And what if you are not belong to that category? If you have electricity resource, you could become those first two. So that is something you can benefit. So we just come out from the bear market to the bull market. Not yet. It's on the way. There's a different strategy when you are in a different market. For the bear market, you'd better running faster than your competitor. Then the bear will catch the slower one. But if for the bull market, you'd better ride on it to make sure you are not falling off the bull. That is the strategy, put it simple. And also, there is not just opportunity coming from the policy change. There is also a big trend change as well. For crypto asset attracts a lot of institutional investors right now. And also, the BTC price turns from the bear market to the bull is very bullish. And thirdly, miners are short of supply. Why is that important to you? Because your gain is also not just from the Bitcoin price, it also depends on how many percentage you get from the big market. So if the miners are short of supply, which means the total hash power won't increase a lot. So that's a very important factor. So just look at the trend, right? like a weekly gain for the BTC price exceed 20%. That's very bullish. Okay, why I have this information, why I'm able to talk about this? I want to introduce my company, InnoSilicon. So InnoSilicon is a technical leader in IP and crypto ASIC. We are world-class mixed IP single leader. We already have, we founded in 2006, already 12 years past. We are growing quarterly by quarterly. We already have 1 billion ICs already delivered in the market. It's not just the cryptocurrency, a lot of other consumer electronics. So we are successful in FinFET ASIC design. We have the top-notch IC design team. So no wonder we can deliver much better performance product. We have a proven crypto ASIC performance in the market. Last year, we come up with 8 different kind of cryptocurrency ASICs. They are all the #1 in the market at the time. So we are key innovators in the next generation GPU, AI, auto ASIC technology with creative, full customized design. We have a design model and also ASIC quality best in the class. So this is the overall view of a different kind of cryptocurrency product we are providing. We are not only about BTC, we also have Ethereum, LTC, and we are coming with the best performance in the market. We have Green Miner is on the way. So we keep innovate and we help our customer not just do one product or one kind of portfolio. We have a multiple portfolio, just like a stock market, to help our customer success. So why the miner are short of supply? Do you believe that? From the manufacturer point of view, the difference between supply and demand is about 2 million miners right now. But for the manufacturer point of view, it takes about 3 months at least to place the order for the ASIC and then get the working miner ready. So that is the gap, and that is also a good news for the miners. So InnoSilicon support the blockchain community with innovation ASIC miners. We have a very good relationship with developers. We always discuss how to make the community stronger and better to build an ecosystem. So what is our advantage? In short, our advantage is we have miners in stock. We foresee the gap for the supply, and we prepared for it. We have a very good prediction of the market. And also, we have a high-performance miners, more new miners, more better performance ready to come in September. And we are capable to manage large farms in scale and provide high-quality product. And more important, we are one-stop shop for customized design. So to more details, what we find out is the earlier you do mining, the more BTC you will get. So we have T2T 28T in August, T2T 30T is online for sale. We also have a T3 50T in August. It's coming. What about the performance? The performance, we have the best industry power consumption and power ratio. We have a BTC we have Zcash, we have Green. All available, all the specs available in the silicon.com website. So we have the why we call ourselves is one-stop shop for customized service, because everybody has different needs. We believe everybody needs a customized special service towards your own needs. So we are not only provide a basic service like a sell the miner, we also provide like a hosting service if you don't have a good power resource. For the financial industry, we provide ROI insurance. This is good for the fund managers. They want to have an investment, but they also want to have security, right? And we also provide a hash rate supply for people who want to try. To summarize, it is a big opportunity now for mining with profit. The earlier you do the mining, the more you get. Innosilicon would like to work with you with a win-win strategy by providing you the best product and good service. Thank you very much.